Hello and welcome to another week of Viloc. I am your tutor, Patrick, and let's get started. Okay, so first, we are going to be adding fractions. Okay, so 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2, right? 2. Okay, and the reason why is because, say you have 1/2 of a pizza, right? So that's half of a pizza. Then if you add another half, that would make a whole. Get it? A numerical, so like a number-based way of thinking about it is 1 plus 1, right? Over 2, right? So you would add 2. However, the only way you can add fractions is if the denominator, the number on the bottom is the same, okay? And after that, you don't change, okay? So for subtraction and addition, for fractions, you don't change the denominator, okay? Unless they're different denominators, then you would have to do the stuff that we did last week, okay? So you're only at the top, so it'll be 2 over 2, which we all know is 1, right? Okay, so this week it does not look like there's going to be any difference in denominators. So we're going to just keep on adding, okay? So let's try doing number 3. So 4 plus 2, sorry, 8, right? Another way you can think about this is 4 plus 2 divided by 8, which equals 6 divided by 8. Okay. Okay, so 6 divided by 8. That's your answer. Unless you want to simplify it, which would make it 3 divided by 4. Okay? Hopefully this makes sense. Okay. So let's try doing number 9. Okay, so 3 plus 5 divided by 8 equals 8 divided by 8. Right. Equals 1. Okay? For this one, it's basically the same thing. Let's do number 5 just because it looks weird. So it'll be 3 divided by 4. 3 over 4 plus 2 over 4, which would mean it's 5 divided by 4. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, let's try doing number 9. So 9 plus 10 divided by 12 equals 19 divided by 12. And if you want to do a mixed fraction, then you can make it turn into 1, 7, 12. Okay? Yeah. Now let's do comparing fractions. Okay, so if you add these, so it would be 3 over 4, right? And then we would convert 1/2 into 2 over 4 because you would multiply it by 2 in order to get a common denominator. Then after this, you will learn that 3 over 4 is definitely bigger than 2 over 4. Okay? Yeah. So basically for this So basically for this is we're just adding one side first, and then we're converting whichever fraction, which is the easiest way. Okay, and then after that, you just compare which one's bigger. Okay, nothing too hard. So let's do n as a variable. Okay, so 7 plus 10 plus 2 divided by n equals 9, 10. Okay, so first we want to get n by itself. Okay, and the way we can do that is we subtract 7 over 10 on both sides. So this will cancel out, and subtract the 7 over 10. Right, that would make it 2. Oh, that's weird. 2 divided by n equal 2 divided by 10. Okay, so this we can multiply, so it'll be 20 and 20 equals 2n. Divide both by 2, so you get 10 equals 9, and that's the answer. Okay, I'll do one more with you. So let's try doing, this one looks difficult. Okay, so 4 divided by n plus 3n equals 7 divided by. Okay, so we know that since the denominators are common, right, we can do 7 divided by n, so we can add it, equals 7 divided by 11. Okay. Okay. And since you know that 7 and 7 are the same, then we can know that 11 and n are the same. So n equals 11. Okay? I'll do one more on this side. Yeah. So if we add this together, right? So n over 4 plus n over 4, right? Since we know the denominator is the same, we can add the numerators or the numbers on top, okay? So that would be 2n plus 4, or divided by 4, equals 2, 4. Since we know that the 4s are the same, all you need to do is 2n equals 2. Okay? If you divide, that will be n equals 1. Okay? Hopefully this made a lot of sense to you guys, and I'll see you guys